Good day guys, in this video I'm showing you how to find penny items at Home Depot. Alright guys, so in here, when you go into the website, navigate to your web search, in here, into the search of items, and just type in penny. Alright, penny items, and also you can go penny clearance items, it's going to be the same. So let's go for the first one, penny items. And in here guys, pretty much you're done, you just need to go ahead and proceed with the checkout and buy your products as you normally would. So for example, as you can see, we have a list of items in here that you could purchase. For example, we have this decor collection in here. You go into the page, add it to the cart, and then proceed with purchasing it. You can also choose something else. Say, for example, this green tool cart. Alright, and in here, you just pretty much add it to the cart, as so. As you can see, you can quickly check yourself out with a PayPal and proceed with payment. And also you choose how you'd like to pick it up. You'll pick it up on the address or pick it up from a different store. After that, you just check out, pay it, and enjoy it. Guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to press thumbs up on the video and subscribe.